Hello dear students, let us start today's class. So we are doing chapter 6, that is squares and square roots. Okay. So already we have started your exercise 6.1 and we have covered up to question number 8. Okay, we have done up to question number 8. Let us now do question number 9. Okay, I told you earlier in the last class that from this chapter there are very selective exercises, 2 exercises only, and after that I will make you learn how to find out the square roots by 3 methods. This much is very good. 6.1, 6.2, and to know how to find out the square roots of numbers, obviously perfect squares, by 3 methods. Okay, I'll teach you that. Okay then, let us come to exercise 6.1, question number 9. Exercise, it is your exercise 6.9, sorry, 6.1 by 9. 6.1, question number 9. Okay, what is there? How many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers? Yes. How many numbers lie between the squares of following numbers? Means 12 square and 13 square actually. Can you remember it? Okay, 2 and number of non-perfect squares lie between, okay, n square and plus 1 square. Can you remember the note I have given? And I have explained at that time also. So here it is n square and n plus 1 square. See, 12 plus 1, 13. So what we will write here? Here n is equal to what? 12. Implies that 2n is equal to 2 into 12. Okay, is equal to how much? 24. So what we will write? Therefore 24 numbers. There are how many numbers written? Numbers lie between, I will not go that side I will do another problem, between 12 square and your what? 13 square. Right? In this way. Let me do question number 3. Question number 3, 99 square and 100 square. Okay, here it is written how many numbers lie between the squares of. So I have written squares of. Okay. So what to do here? Here your what? N is equal to 99. Implies that twice n equal to 2 into 99. That is 2 9 18. Carry 1. 2 9 18 and 1 19. Therefore 198 numbers lie between your 99 square and your 100 square. Understood? So with this we have come to the end of this exercise. We'll go to the next exercise now. Okay, my dear students? Am I clear? Okay then. Now see, my dear students, exercise 6.2, question number 1. This type of problem already you have done in the while doing identities. Okay, exercise 9.5. Still, I am doing for you. Find the square of the following numbers. You have to find out the square of the numbers given. See, 32. You cannot start with 32, my dear students. Do remember it. Okay, you have to start with 32 square because you have to find out the square of 32. Square of 32. You cannot write 32 equal to 32 square. 32 cannot be equal to 32 square. You have to start with 32 square. Am I right? Okay. So, see, 32 square, 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. Yes, square. A plus B whole square. What is the identity? A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square. 30 square is 3 3 is 9. From 30, 1 0, another 30, another 0. 2 2 is 4, 4 into 30, 120 plus 2 2 is 4. You sum it up, you will be getting 1024. Understood? Next is see, all the problems I will not do. I am doing 1 and 6. 6 for you. See, 6, question number 6, 46 square. 46 can be written as 50 minus 4. 50 minus 4 whole square. So it is 50 square minus 2 into what? A minus B whole square. 50 minus 4 is 46. So A square minus what? 2 into A into B plus B square. 50 square is 2500. 250 is 100. 100 into 4, 400. 16. This minus this is 2100. 2100 plus 16 is 2116. If you can't do already, you can do the rough work. Here also you can do the rough work. Okay? I have done it and I have shown also how I have done. If you can't do it, you can show the rough work. Okay? Okay, my dear students, let me go to the next question. Now, let us go for the next question, my dear students. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is. You have to write down the Pythagorean triplet. I have given the note for it, but that time I told you that when I will be doing the exercise, I will be explaining it here. Now see. So, question number 2. First of all, let me write in front of you the general form of Pythagorean triplet. The general form of Pythagorean triplet is what? 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. This is the general form of Pythagorean triplet. Already you have got it in your note form. Okay? Now see. You have to find out a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is what? 6. Okay? One member. How many members are there in a triplet? Obviously 3. This. So let us suppose the first member. Let 2m is equal to 6. Okay? Very easy. M is equal to how much? 6 by 2. That is your m is equal to how much? 3. Understood, my dear students? So, now what we will do? What is the next member? M square minus 1. So, let us find m square minus 1. M square means 3 square minus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Understood? Okay. Now, next member m square plus 1. M is 3 square plus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Understood? So, therefore, the required Pythagorean triplet is how to write? Okay, the Pythagorean, give the bracket. First member is 2m, so 2m is your 6. Second member m square minus 1, that is 8. Third member m square plus 1, that is 10. In this way you have to do. Okay, my dear students, this is how we can find the Pythagorean triplet. Have a glance on the board and write down the things properly. Okay? Okay? One more question I will do for you. Let us go. Now, let us go to the next. I am doing number 4. 2 and 3 left for you to try at home. Very easy. Okay? Now see. 18. So, what we will do? Let 2m, the first member is 2m, 18. Implies that m is equal to 18 by 2. Implies that m is equal to what? 9. Now next member what is? M square minus 1. So what is m? 9. 9 square minus 1. Okay? 9 square minus 1 is 9 9 is 81. 81 minus 1 is 80. Then your m square plus 1. That is 9 square plus 1. 9 9 is 81. 81 plus 1, 82. Now, your members are ready. Just you have to write down the triplet. Therefore, the required Pythagorean triplet is, first member is 2m. 2m is 18, whatever given in the question. Second member 80 and third member 82. You have to write by putting commas and insert them inside a bracket. This is how we have to write Pythagorean triplet. Okay, my dear students, hope you have understood how to write down the Pythagorean triplet. Okay, see, have a glance on the board. Okay, now your 2 exercises are over. Exercise 6.1 and 6.2 over. Now we have to learn how to find out the square roots of what? Numbers. Okay? Okay, then let me go for finding out the square roots. That is only left. Finding out the square roots by 3 methods. I am giving you the 3 methods. Okay? Now see, my dear students, how to find out the square root. Square root means what? Suppose 4 means what? 4 can be written as 2 square. So what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 81 is 9, because 9 square is equal to 81. Square root of 121 is what? 121 is 11, because 11 square is 121. Okay, now how to find it out? It is the first method is yours, finding square root by what? Your repeated subtraction method. This method is applicable for your exam, I am telling, only for class 8. Afterwards, in the higher classes, this method is not required. Okay, after this method, the methods which I tell you, that will be required. Okay, my dear students. So here you are finding square roots by, I am not following any exercise, I will just give it. I will tell you, you can practice of your own by taking the numbers. Suppose you are to find out the square root of question number 1. Suppose find the square root, or you can directly write it. No need to write find the square root. We have already written, okay, we have already written the repeated subtraction method. Let us find out the square root of, okay, suppose question number 1. Square root, in this way we write square root of, suppose your 64 equal to what? What will be the? Find the square root, or the question will be find the square root of 64 by repeated subtraction method. Okay? Okay. Then 64 square root what? See here. 64 minus repeated subtraction. We will take the consecutive odd numbers. We will take the consecutive odd numbers, my dear students. See, starting from 1. 64 minus 1, how much? 63. Then now bring 63 here. 63 minus next odd number, what? 3. It will be 60. Next come 60 minus 5. Is it? 60 minus 5 is how much? 55. Okay. Then 55 minus next odd number, 7. 55 minus 7 is 48. Yes, 48. Then 48 minus 9. It will be 39. Next odd number, 39 minus 11. It is this one, 28. See, if the subtraction is not correct, you will not be getting the answer. Then 28 minus 13. Next, see, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, it is 5, then 1. Now see, 15 minus next odd number, 15 equal to 0. That is the thing I want to show you. You have to stop when you come to 0. Okay, my dear students, in this way, the number which you will take, that one you will take, then you subtract the consecutive odd numbers from the differences which you get. Okay, so what you will write? Therefore, square root of 64 is equal to, now see, in how many steps or how many odd numbers you have subtracted. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can write here, this is the number of steps. Since the number of steps is how many? 8. Therefore, square root of 64 is 8. This. Okay, in this way. Or you can say number of steps 8 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, square root of 8 as 64 is 8. 8 square is 64. Is it or not? 8 8 just 64. So in this is your repeated subtraction method. One more I will do for you. Okay, this is your repeated subtraction method. Okay, okay, my dear students. Now let us see another one. Follow it properly. Suppose we have to find out the square root of what? 100. Square root of 100. It is what? Huh? So let us start with 100. 100 minus 1, what? 99. Then 99 minus 3, how much? 96. 90. See, the differences must be correct. 96 minus 5, 91. Then 91 minus next odd number after 5, 7. It is your, how much? 84. Yes, 84. Go slow, no problem. 84 minus 9. Is it 75? Yes, 75 na? Yes, 75. 75 minus 11. How much? 64. Is it? Yes. Then 64 minus 13. How much? 4 minus 3, 1. 51. 51, 61, 64. Yes. Clear? Then 51 minus 15. How much? 6. Then 4 minus 1, 3. This one? 36, 46, 51. Okay. Let me come here. Now 36 minus how much? After 15, see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Then 17. 17. Is it? Yes. Now 16 minus 7, 9. 2 minus 1. This one? 19. Yes. Then 19 minus 19. It is your 0. You have to stop here. So since the very easy number of steps, in how many steps or how many odd numbers you have subtracted, it will be 10 because 100 square is how much? You know it, 10. So you can check yourself. 100 square, root over 100 is 10 now, because 10 square equal to 100. So root over 100 will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many steps? 10. 10. So therefore, okay, root over 100 is equal to how much? 10. Understood, my dear students? Clear? See, have a glance on the board. See whether it is clear or not. I think it will be clear to you. Okay? Clear? Is it clear, all of you, my dear students? So in this way, you have to find out the square root by repeated subtraction method. Nothing. Just take the number from that number. Start from 1. This you have to remember. After that, from the consecutive differences, you subtract the consecutive odd numbers. And stop. When you have to stop? When you will be getting zeros. Okay? Clear? This is one question must for the exam. 3 methods, 3 question. Very much scoring. Exercise, this chapter is very much scoring, and my dear students, most importantly, I have limitized your course. Only 6.1, 6.2, only the basic things I have given. Then to find out the square roots by the 3 methods. So to find the square root by 3 methods, it is must. I am not giving the question, but the methods I am giving you. It is must in the exam. Okay. So let me stop here, my dear students. In the next class, in one more class I made, in that class I will teach you how to find out the square roots by your prime factorization and division method. Those 2 methods will be taken in the next class. Okay? Clear? After that, your syllabus will be finished. Okay? This much for today. Thank you, my dear students.